Hey guys, this is the Spicer Dana U-joint. As you can see, I bought two. I'll be putting the part number down below. They have multiple different brands. It might be under those part names if you're trying to find this part, but moving on. As you can see here, I've opened up the package and there is rings and the U-joint, of course, and a grease fitting so that you can grease this up, which you have to do before you mount it and after you mount it. And here you can see I have one attached to the grease fitting to grease it up. All you got to do is attach the grease fitting that's in the packaging to there, grease it up, install it, pull off all the caps, make sure the pins are standing up and that they're fully greased. You'll know when they're fully greased because sometimes they also like to raise or grease will be coming out of the ends. That's what you call purging. You want to make sure to purge it before and after. And that's about it for the review. They solved the clanking and my truck's running much better. It's not making all that clanking from start to go. As you can see, I had several, but now the truck's working well. If you're looking for an install tutorial, I have one of me installing these as well. Enjoy.